Everybody wants fresher meals at home. Try microgreens, quick, nutritious, and tiny. I'll show you how. Hey, I'm Tyler, and welcome to my gardening tips channel. Microgreens are baby vegetables, packed with flavor and nutrients, ready in 7 to 14 days. Here's what you need. Shallow trays, soil grow mats, seeds, spray bottle, good light. Step 1. Fill the tray about an inch with soil. Step 2. Spread seeds evenly. Don't clump them. Step 3. Mist gently with water. Step 4. Cover for 2 to 3 days to encourage sprouting. Then uncover and give them light. Natural window light or a grow lamp. Keep misting once or twice a day so the soil stays damp, not soaked. You'll see sprouts in a couple days. Harvest when the first true leaves appear, usually 7 to 14 days. Try radish, broccoli, pea, sunflower. They're fantastic. Use microgreens on salads. Use microgreens on sandwiches. Use microgreens as a bright garnish. Quick recap. Tray seeds, mist cover, uncover, harvest. Like and subscribe for more from Tyler's gardening tips. Let's grow together.